Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.